Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best Bronze Rustoleum is probably one of the most versatile and transformative finishes you can apply to your home decor projects, offering a rich, deep hue that mimics the look of aged bronze with remarkable ease and affordability, making it a go-to choice for DIY enthusiasts and seasoned decorators alike seeking to add a touch of classic elegance or modern sophistication to furniture, fixtures, and accent pieces. Number 5. Rust-Oleum Universal All-Surface Metallic Spray Paint. Introducing the Universal All-Surface Metallic Spray Paint from Rust-Oleum. It's designed to work on virtually any surface you can imagine, from wood and plastic to metal and more. Its oil-based formula ensures excellent adhesion, preventing rust and resisting fading and chipping. This means you get a long-lasting finish that looks great. You'll love how fast it dries. It's touch dry in just 30 minutes and each can covers up to 15 square feet. Application is a breeze. Not only does it provide a beautiful metallic look, but it also prevents rust and corrosion. This enhances the durability of your projects. Achieve an attractive, rich, and shimmering metallic look on any surface. It adds a touch of elegance and style to your DIY projects. Whether you're working on indoor or outdoor items, this spray paint is your go-to solution. Its versatility makes it perfect for a wide range of applications. What we like. If you need a paint that works on almost anything, this is your go-to. Its oil-based formula offers excellent adhesion and rust prevention for a long-lasting finish. If you're looking for a quick-drying option with a shimmering metallic look for various projects, consider this. What people say. The color is a very nice dark brown with hints of black, which is exactly what I was looking for. It covered the old brass fixtures perfectly with just one coat. The finish is smooth and even. Easy to apply and dries quickly to a beautiful, rich oil-rubbed bronze finish. Number 4. Rust-Oleum Protective Enamel Paint. Introducing a revolutionary paint designed to shield your surfaces. It offers superior resistance against harsh weather and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting durability. This oil-based formula provides an exceptional protective coating. It's engineered for excellent rust prevention, keeping your projects looking great for years to come. Perfect for a variety of materials including wood, metal, and concrete. Its versatile nature makes it ideal for both exterior and interior applications. Get your projects done faster with its quick drying time, ready to the touch in just 2 to 4 hours. Plus, it covers up to 100 square feet, offering great value. Experience outstanding resistance to abrasion, fading, and chipping. This paint is built to withstand daily wear and tear, maintaining its appearance. Achieve a beautiful, subtle shine with its elegant semi-gloss finish. It enhances the look of any surface it's applied to. What we like. For projects requiring superior protection against the elements, this is an excellent choice. Its oil-based formula provides a durable, weather and corrosion-resistant coating. If you are working on exterior or interior surfaces and need robust rust prevention with excellent coverage, this is the one. What people say. The color is a true oil-rubbed bronze, not too black or too brown. It covers well and provides a nice, even finish. The paint dries quickly, allowing for multiple coats in a short amount of time. Number 3. Pouring Masters Antique Bronze Metallic Pearl. Experience the magic of fluid art with our premium acrylic pouring paint. Its ready-to-pour consistency ensures a smooth, honey-like flow for effortless color movement on your canvas. This versatile paint is perfect for all your favorite pouring techniques, from dirty pours to flip cups. Create mesmerizing, vibrant patterns on canvas, wood, paper, and more. Achieve professional results by easily combining it with your preferred additives. Adjust the flow and enhance cell formation for truly unique effects. Highly pigmented and formulated for fluid art, this paint offers consistent, hassle-free use. It's the perfect choice for both beginners and seasoned artists alike. Explore an extensive range of 84 dynamic colors. Mix and match them to create endless custom combinations for all your fluid art projects. What we like. If you're passionate about fluid art and want a paint that flows perfectly, this is ideal. Its ready-to-pour consistency and premium formulation are designed for smooth color movement in techniques like dirty pours. If you are looking for a hassle-free, highly pigmented paint for vibrant fluid art, this is a great option. What people say. The color is a very dark brown with hints of black, which is perfect for my needs. It covers well and provides a nice, even finish. The oil-rubbed bronze look is authentic and adds a touch of elegance to my project. Number 2. Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Latex Paint, Quart, Metallic Oil-Rubbed Bronze. This paint is perfect for a wide range of indoor and outdoor projects. It adheres beautifully to surfaces like wood, metal, plaster, masonry, and unglazed ceramic. Enjoy a low-odor experience with our water-based acrylic formula. It's designed to resist chips and offer protection that lasts. Complete your projects faster. It covers up to 120 square feet and dries to the touch in just 30 minutes. Give your surfaces a stunning new look with its beautiful metallic finish. It applies smoothly and provides excellent coverage. For best results, prepare your surfaces by sanding with 180-200 grit sandpaper. Then, wash with a degreaser and let it dry completely before applying the paint. What we like. For indoor projects where low odor and quick drying are priorities, this paint is a fantastic option. Its water-based acrylic formula resists chips and provides long-lasting protection with a smooth metallic finish. If you prefer a water-based paint for various indoor-outdoor surfaces and want to complete projects quickly, this is a solid choice. What people say. The color is a very dark brown with black undertones, which is exactly what I was looking for. It covers well and provides a nice, even finish. I used it on a metal door and it looks fantastic. The paint dries quickly and has a durable finish that has held up well to daily use. Number 1. Rust-Oleum 248636 Oil Rubbed Bronze Metallic Spray. Discover the beauty of oil-rubbed bronze with this metallic spray paint. It offers a rich, sophisticated finish for your projects. Achieve a professional, high-quality metallic look effortlessly. This spray provides a deep, lustrous sheen that transforms ordinary surfaces. The 11-ounce can ensures a comfortable grip and even distribution. Simply spray for a smooth, consistent coating every time. Perfect for a wide range of applications, from furniture to decorative items. Add a touch of elegance to wood, metal, and more. Enjoy a finish that not only looks great but also stands the test of time. Its durable formula resists chipping and fading. Embrace the classic charm of oil-rubbed bronze. This shade brings timeless appeal and a touch of vintage sophistication to any decor. What we like. If you need a convenient way to achieve an oil-rubbed bronze metallic finish, this spray paint is perfect. Its spray application allows for easy and even coverage on various surfaces. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to update hardware, furniture, or decorative items with this specific metallic look, consider this. What people say. The color is a deep, rich brown with subtle metallic undertones that mimic the look of real oil-rubbed bronze. It provides excellent coverage and dries to a smooth, durable finish that resists chipping and scratching. The spray nozzle allows for even application and gets into tight spaces, making it easy to achieve a professional-looking result. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.